Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to remove map in Instagram. Okay, let's start. Solve this problem. First of all, go to your settings, click on settings. Now scroll down, click on apps. Now click on search bar, search for Instagram. Click on this. Now scroll down, click on storage. Click on clear cache. Now back, click on permissions. You can see all permissions allow. Now back, click on force stop. Now back to your home screen and go to your Play Store. Click on Play Store. Click on search. Check update your Instagram. Click on this. You can see Instagram is already updated. Now back to home screen and normally power off your phone. After power on your phone, then go to your Instagram and check your problem solved successfully. You can see not showing map in Instagram. I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.